Hi there, guys and gals. This is Gary Clark with A Life Worth Finding. This is video number 3 in my product review and demonstration playlist. Today we're going to review a great portable propane heater. It's the Portable Buddy Mr. Heater, and it runs on those small disposable propane tanks that you can get at Lowe's, Walmart, or Home Depot. So without further ado, let's get started. Enjoy. It's got a self-igniter. You hold it down for 30 seconds, then you turn it to the desired heat level. Let's put it on high. That's throwing some heat right now, people. What's great about this heater is you can safely put it on even blankets or comforters without fear of burning stuff up. Now, I wouldn't recommend that if you fall asleep, but just to give you a little bit of a touch of warmth, then you shut it down. It's totally safe to do that. Nice handle for portability. You could use this in outside camping areas as well as inside your camper van or RV. The Portable Buddy Mr. Heater is a durable product, made well. Best of all, it's made in the US of A. So there it is. If you guys and gals are looking for a great, durable, portable propane heater to extend your camping season in your RV, camper van, or tent, the Portable Buddy Mr. Heater is a great choice. This is Gary Clark with A Life Worth Finding, giving the Portable Buddy Mr. Heater a thumbs up.